is my beach wear.
And this is mine.
I am directly in the sun, that bright morning sun. Ooh, look at the sun. Guys, hi, welcome to another daily vlog. I just want to set you guys up here, right here, so that we can get on with the intro. Yeah, tilapia. I'm not buying tilapia anytime soon. How much? Oh, anyway, guys, like I was saying, my hair is not done yet. I just held it in this pom pom, whatever that you wanna call it. So today we have a lot planned. I have to go to the beach later in the evening, and then we have to do some scotch eggs. We'll do that later. That's the plan for today, and then later we'll go to the beach, and then we go do that, and we clean a little bit around the house. I want to take you guys with me through the cleaning process because we did that last time. Well, guys, there's no point in me taking you guys with me because I don't have the time to record all the cleaning process. But if I can, I'll take you guys with me, okay? But anyway, yeah, so that's the plan of today's vlog. I hope you all enjoy today's vlog. Like I said, we're gonna be doing this daily vlog things. I will not insert the timings. I mean, I'll not insert the dates because for my own privacy, I would love to like keep the dates, specific dates, private, so that someone cannot use that to monitor or track my life. Because to be honest with you guys, there are monitoring spirits out there. There are serious monitoring spirits. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So in order for me to like be on the safe side, I will not post in real time. Because even my previous vlogs, I usually do where I come back at the end of the vlog on a Sunday and I speak with you guys. So that's real time. What I'm trying to do right now is I don't want to post in real time. Do you guys be seeing? It's not going to be like very late vlogs. No, of course not. But still, it's not going to be much recent. So, but I'll post vlogs every single day. Every single day. But it's not going to be like immediate vlogs. I don't know if you get my point. I guess you do. Anyway, basically what I'm trying to say is that you'll see vlogs every single day on this channel. However, it's not going to be the vlogs of, for example, we see today's vlog. It doesn't mean that it happened today. You get the point. So yeah, this is what I'm planning to do, and I feel like I'm going to be more comfortable doing that. And yeah, I've been thinking about doing these daily vlogs for a very long time, but the fact that I didn't really know how to like arrange the timing so it doesn't fall directly under recent times. That's why I was trying to figure that out. And now that I figured that out, I have pre-recorded videos which I'm going to start using to post every single day. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, you guys, stay tuned while we do these activities. And yeah, guys, come, let's go. we are on our way to the beach. We're in front of the mall. We want to take a taxi to Mamza Beach. That's where we are going to have our activities there. It's almost 6 p.m. It's late though. We can still get there in time. So this is my friend Nora. Nora, say hi. So we are going together to the beach and we'll have fun. See you guys when we get there, okay? Guys, so we are here at the beach. Me and him now. Me and him, we don't carry fish. Come here. They tell me say no close. Around. She said 10. She said 10. Guys, we are finally here at the beach. This is my sorry. This is my beach wear.
And this is mine.
We have to do barbecue first.
Hey, I forget that glove.
Barbecue first. After barbecue, then we go and swim. Yeah, guys, this is a long-awaited something. For a very long time, I've been wanting to come here, and anytime I come here, I'm always disappointed. But today, finally.
I want to take survive, eh?
I don't know.
So because it's only it's only eat. I mean, like
Chuckle.
what I did before. I dey go farm.
Guys, look at the sunset. Just take a look at the sunset. Oh my god. This is beautiful. The view is amazing. Guys, so we got back from that beach. I was completely knocked out. I know I told you guys I was going to do the egg roll, but yo, when I finished doing that cleaning, I didn't have the time. I just had to get ready very fast and prepare for the beach, which you guys just watched. Anyway, we came back. Normally I was supposed to like show you guys the after, like what we grilled and the eating process, but the lighting was not good. It was already dark and there was no way I could like take any more footage. I didn't go with my ring light. Obviously I'll not carry my ring light to the beach because how am I going to block it? So I'm calling it a beach because it's a beach park, okay? Where we were doing the grilling. If you live in UAE, you live in Dubai, you know that at Mamza Beach they have the park and they have the open beach. So we went to the open beach and we went to the park, and in the park you can do grilling there, and at the same time you can access the beach from there. So but I didn't even end up going to the water at the end of the day. Like I had a lot to do. I had planned to grill because you all know when you have this particular craving for something. I've been planning to grill this my fish for a very long time, and I've been eating fish that I do in the oven, and I feel like it doesn't have that thing. It doesn't have that taste that you're looking for whenever you're trying to eat this Cameroonian roasted street fish. Like when you put it in the oven, it doesn't have that taste. That's why I was like, come rain, come shine, I have to go to the beach and I have to grill this fish. I want to smell charcoal. Like I want to smell charcoal when I'm eating that fish. So it was really a long awaited something. The last time I went there late. I went with my partner. We went late and we couldn't enter, so I had to carry everything back home. So from that time I didn't bother going there again, and that happened like a month ago. Anyway, yeah, so we finally got access to the beach and we did what we had to do. I carried extra fish, extra chicken, so that when I grill it, I come to my house and keep it in my fridge or my freezer. That I'll be eating slowly because when I tell you guys I've been craving for this thing for a very long time. I miss my country. It's been 2.5 years I'm not going home, and sometimes I just miss that food. I just miss that food. And that food sometimes doesn't give it if you don't use the right things. For example, the charcoal. If you don't use charcoal to grill fish, I'm sorry, but the taste is different. It doesn't give what we felt like growing up. So yeah, I was so excited for that day. I'm happy I was able to do what I had to do. And anyway, I'm here to conclude the vlog. Hope you enjoyed this one, and don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. And if you watch the videos to the end, I would like you guys to comment below what you like to watch or what you like to see in these daily vlogs, because guys, we are doing this for real, okay? So comment down below what you like to see in the daily vlogs. Hope you like this one. Do not forget to rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in our next video. Bye.